All right, here back with you. Got a couple more measurements. I don't know if you see this very well or not, but anyway, I just used tape and white tape so you could see plainly what you got to do. This is the measurement line and this is the measurement line, not these outsides. So if you can't remember or you don't want to take a chance, you can always mark it with your pencil. Just put an arrow, or if you're going to set it down and go do something else, just mark which end you want to measure to. So that's very important. So what you do is just measure from your line to your line, tape to tape, mark to mark, whatever you want to call it. So it looks to me like it is right at, I don't know if you can see it or not, but it is right at 1 inch and 3/8, or 5/8. I mean, excuse me, 1 inch and 5/8. I don't know if you can see that or not. So what you got to do is take 1 inch and 5/8 off back here. So when you put it in the wall, it'll match up. This one will be slightly different because it's even though it's the same, it's a little bit different. So same thing there. If you want to mark it, that's fine. But if you don't, then just measure it out here, and it is 3 3/8. I guess that's where I was getting the 3/8. So 3 3/8 got to come off here. So you take and we'll mark it on 3 3/8, and we'll cut that off, and then bevel it a little bit back here, and then we'll put it in, and we're done. Thanks for watching. Hit a like or do whatever you got to do. Subscribe. Bye.